Welcome to a new academic section. I'm Mr. Harrison. I'll be your mathematics teacher for this trimester. Now, this being our first class, you'll be learning about number notation and the basic operations of whole numbers. Welcome to a new adventure. Let's go into the class. What are place value? Now, the place value of a number refers to the value of a digit in different places or positions in the number. Now, considering these 10-digit numbers, we have 5, 6, 2, 1, 9, 4, 7, 3, 8, and 0. Using the place value chart, this is the place value of 5 is billions, which is 5 billion. The place value of 6 is 100 million, which is 600 millions. This place value of 2 is 10 millions, which is 20 million. The place value of 2 is millions. Sorry, place value of 1 is millions, which is 1 million. The place value of 9 is 100,000, which is 900,000. The place value of 4 is 10,000, which is 40,000. Place value of 7 is thousands, which is 7,000. The place value of 3 is in 100, which gives 300. That of 8 is tens, which is what? 80. And that of 0 is ones, which is 0. Now, in words, this will be 5,621,947,380. Now let's go to basic operations. What are basic operations? This involves or has to do with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of whole numbers. Okay, let's go to our first example, where we'll be finding the values of 2738209 plus 1565875 minus 2365981. Now, what about first step? First step is to add first and second term. The first and the second terms are this. We add them. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put down what? 4 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 8. 2 plus 8 is what? 10. And put down 0 carry 1. 8 plus 5 is what? 13. 13 plus that 1 is 14. Remember, we still have 1. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 4 plus 6 is also 10. Put down 0 carry 1. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is simply 4,304,084. Let's see another example. Sorry, the second method is to what? Subtract what we got from the third term. 4 minus 1 is what? It's 3. 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Can 0 minus 9? No. Borrow from 4. 4 becomes 3, right? 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 cannot minus. So we'll take here from this 3. This far side 3. We take from this far 3 and add here. That becomes what? 10. 10 minus 6 gives us what we should have here. And this is now 2. Take from this 4 this becomes 3. This one is now what? 12. 12 minus this 3 is what? 9. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is now what? This. Clear? Good. Let's move to our next example. This example will be focusing on multiplication. Multiplying 256 by 223. Okay? Now, 6 times 3 is 18, right? So that's this 8. This 8. 5 times 3 times 5 is what? 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Next one. 2 times 1, 2 times 2 times 6 is what? 12. 2 times 5 is what? 10 plus 1, 11. 2 times 2, 4 plus this one, 5. Same thing for this last 2. It still gives 5, 1, 2. Now let's add up. 8 comes down, 6 plus 2, 8, right? 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is what? That's 10. Put down 0, carry 1. Okay. 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is what? 10. Put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down this 5. So this gives 57,000 excuse me, 57,088. Next slide. Now this basic operation deals with division. Let us divide 850 by 25. We will be using the DMSBR, the long division method, where D is for division, M is for multiplication, S is for subtraction, B is for bring down, and R is for repeat. So let's go. Join our line. Now 85, this first 285 divide 25. Simply, how many 25s do we have in 85? That should be 3, right? So 3 times this 3 times 25 gives 75, right? Next, 85 minus 75 is what? 10. Remember, we are bringing down 0, so that gives 100. So we have 100 there. So what have we done now? Following the DMSB arrow. First, we divided. 85 divide 25 is what? 3. Next is to multiply. 3 times 25 gives 75. Next is the what? Subtract, which is 85 minus 75. That gives us 10. Next, we bring down what? 0. That gives us 100. Remember, 85 minus 75 gave 10. We brought down 0, making it 100. Then we repeat. Repeat means we go back to division. That simply means 100 divide 25 is 4. Remember, we have 3 there before, so that is 34. So our answer is simply 34. So 850 divide 25 is 34. Hope you had a great time in this class. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Bye bye.